Rosenberg Rose-Pak structured packing is made of corrugated, crimped sheets arranged in alternating directions, spot welded together, creating a network of open channels for the flow of liquid and vapour, thus providing large surface area for mass transfer to occur. The sheet geometry, such as crimp angle, height, crimp spacing, and surface embossing, determines the packing's specific surface area, typically ranging from about 100 to 750 square per meter cube. Increasing the specific surface area provides more contact between the vapour and liquid, which improves mass transfer efficiency, but at the cost of higher pressure drop. The process begins when liquid enters the top of the tower through a liquid distributor. The liquid spreads evenly across the packing surface and forms a thin film as it flows downward. At the same time, vapour travels upward through the channels created by the structured packing. As the vapour and liquid pass each other, mass transfer occurs. This efficient contact improves separation performance, increases column capacity, and reduces energy consumption due to the packing's low resistance to vapour flow. Incorrect selection of structured packing can cause flooding. This is when the upward flow of vapour becomes so strong that it interferes with the downward flow of liquid through the packing. Eventually, the liquid can no longer drain properly and begins to accumulate within the packing, reducing mass transfer efficiency and increasing pressure drop. Rose-Pak and Rose-Pak Plus is a highly efficient structured packing, making it a preferred choice for many absorption, stripping, and distillation applications.